They were supposed to dominate the future. Instead, they're losing to something most people never even see. Not robots. Not factories. Not oil. Not hardware. Software. And in 2026, Invisible American Code is quietly becoming the most powerful competitive weapon on Earth. Right now, somewhere in America, software is making billion-dollar decisions in milliseconds, deciding which truck moves first, which package gets delivered faster, which AI gets trained better, which ad captures your attention, and even which company survives the next decade. And here's the shocking part. Most people have no idea it's happening. Because the biggest battle of the 21st century isn't being fought with missiles or machines. It's being fought with algorithms. And America is winning. But not for the reasons you think. Because the real advantage isn't Silicon Valley. It's something far more invisible. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Imagine two companies. One has massive factories, thousands of workers, expensive hardware, and global supply chains stretching across continents. The other has 50 engineers, laptops, cloud servers, and software. 10 years ago, the first company looked unstoppable. Today, the second company might destroy the first. That sounds impossible. Until you look at what's happening. Picture this. A self-driving car approaches one of the oldest, most chaotic traffic systems in America, a historic Boston Rotary. No lane discipline. Aggressive merges. Human unpredictability everywhere. For a human driver, it's stressful. For AI, it should be impossible. And yet American software systems are now learning something astonishing. Not just traffic rules. Unwritten rules. The invisible social behavior of driving. When to hesitate. When to push. When another driver is bluffing. When someone will cut across 3 lanes without warning. Machines are learning human chaos. That changes everything. Because once software learns unwritten rules, it stops being a tool. It becomes judgment. And that's where the global race gets terrifying. Most countries are still focused on physical infrastructure. More roads. More factories. More hardware. America is increasingly focused somewhere else. Decision-making intelligence. Software that improves itself. Software that observes. Software that predicts. Software that optimizes. And that creates an economic superpower few people understand. Because software doesn't scale like physical systems. It scales like magic. Build a factory, and expansion takes years. Build software, and one breakthrough can impact 100 million users overnight. That speed is the real weapon. And the numbers are becoming impossible to ignore. 7 of the world's most valuable technology companies are American. Apple, https://www.apple.com, UTM_source=chat.com. Microsoft, https://www.microsoft.com, UTM_source=chat.com. Nvidia, https://www.nvidia.com, UTM_source=chat.com. Amazon, https://www.amazon.com, UTM_source=chat.com. Alphabet, https://abc.xyz, UTM_source=chat.com. Meta, https://about.meta.com, UTM_source=chat.com. OpenAI, https://openai.com, UTM_source=chat.com. Coincidence? Not even close. But that's not the craziest part. The true advantage isn't just big tech. It's the ecosystem underneath. The hidden machine feeding them. Think about what software actually needs to dominate. Talent. Capital. Risk tolerance. Cloud infrastructure. Massive datasets. Relentless competition. America has all six. And when those six combine, something explosive happens. Innovation compounds. A brilliant engineer builds a startup. A venture capitalist funds it. Cloud infrastructure scales it. AI improves it. The market pressures it. Then competitors force it to evolve faster. This loop repeats thousands of times. Every year. Every month. Every day. That feedback loop is America's invisible driver. Most countries have talent. Some have capital. Some have infrastructure. Very few have all of them operating at extreme scale simultaneously. That's the secret. And it gets deeper. Because software in 2026 isn't just about apps anymore. That era is over. The real game now is invisible automation. Software that operates behind the scenes. You don't see it. But it shapes everything. Imagine ordering food. Seems simple. Tap button. Food arrives. But behind that tap, dozens of software decisions happen instantly. Which driver gets selected? Which route minimizes delivery time? Which pricing model maximizes profit? Which customer is likely to tip? Which restaurant order has highest completion probability? This isn't convenience. This is real-time economic orchestration. At machine speed. And American companies became masters of this. Why? Because they monetized data faster than anyone else. Data became the new oil. Then AI became the refinery. Now software is the engine. And here's where global competition gets brutal. Countries trying to catch up often focus on copying visible products. Build another app. Launch another chatbot. Create another marketplace. But copying products doesn't replicate ecosystems. That's like copying a tree without copying the forest. The forest matters. And the American forest is enormous. Take venture capital. In many parts of the world, failure kills careers. In America, failure often becomes credibility. That sounds ridiculous. But think about what that does psychologically. It encourages experimentation. And experimentation creates breakthroughs. You can't dominate software if everyone fears failure. Because software leadership requires aggressive iteration. Launch. Break. Fix. Scale. Repeat. That cycle creates speed. And speed kills slower competitors. Now consider AI. This is where the gap becomes